My beloved brothers and sisters, Allah created us, humankind, in this world, and after this He has a hereafter. We will all go to the hereafter. There is no way that you are going to escape the hereafter. The wisest of us is the one who prepares for the day that we're going to go back to Allah. What does He have in store for us? If I were to ask you, you would say, Jannah, right? You need to have hope that Allah will give you Jannah through His mercy. You're a good person. May Allah grant us goodness. Why do I say you're a good person? You believe in Allah, you try your best, you engage in istighfar and seek forgiveness where you've gone wrong, and you continue to try to worship Allah in the best possible way, and you discipline yourself, and when you do something bad, you feel bad. And when you do something good, you feel good. That's what a believer is all about. Adam alayhi salam made a mistake or committed a sin. He felt bad, he sought the forgiveness of Allah. What did Allah do? He is also going to be in Jannatul Firdaus. May Allah grant us Jannah.